Want to fix Talkie AI login problem? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Talkie AI. Over here you have to make sure that you recheck your login credentials. Make sure that the login credentials are correct. Now the next thing you want to try doing is head over to the App Store on your device. Inside the App Store, in the address bar, you need to search for Talkie AI. Move into this app right here. Instead of open, if you find the option of update, then click on update and update the app. After that, the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to general. And then move into iPhone storage. In this page, you need to search for the application Talkie AI. Once found, click on it. Now click on Offload app and once again tap on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.